Chanel hair clips. Tell me a better way to express your love for Chanel to the world than wearing a Chanel hair clip. Not only are these jewelry like pieces as gorgeous as jewelry pieces like earrings and necklaces, but they are designed to flaunt as well. Fashion knows no boundaries, and hair clip seems to be so simple, but when you clip one of these Chanel made beauties, it instantly becomes a part of your fashion style. The pearls, the gold or silver hardware, and the CC logo will form a luxury piece that will shine on your hair. Take a look at the current collection and the details.